It's Tami here, your wealthy, healthy BFF. Let me talk to you guys about investing. Because investing is a great way to set yourself up for retirement. Because that's why I'm doing all this. My goal is to set myself up for retirement. When you hear me say wealthy, healthy BFF, because I want to get wealth. And not just financially, like I've said that before. It's not about financial wealth. I want also to get a wealth of knowledge, to learn things. And not just learning things, knowledge that's going to help me out in the world, but also I want spiritual knowledge. Because as I'm doing this, I also want to be wealthy in spirituality. I want to be wealthy in what God wants me to do. I want to be wealthy in my mindset. So those are the things that I'm looking to be wealthy in. And then I want to be healthy. Because one thing, when you do acquire wealth financially, if you're sick, you can't spend it. So I'm not trying to be sick. I am getting healthy. I have lost 15 pounds. I am on a journey to lose 15 more pounds. So you guys keep spur me on. Pat me on. Say, Tami, you can do this. You can do this. Encourage me. Because I'm going to do this. I am going to do this. So that's another thing, just being healthy. And also being healthy in your mindset. Because people can really make you unhealthy in your mindset. Because people tell you, oh, you can't do that. Oh, girl, you trying to do this house and Oh, who told you to do that? Your family? It'd be the people closest to you. But let me tell you something. When the naysayers start to nay, you say bye. Because one thing I've learned that there's a lot of people that are in your circle, but there's a small group of people that are in your corner. They're two different things. Because some people are in your circle just because they're family. Some people are in your circle maybe because they're connected to somebody that's in your circle. That's how they got in your circle. But those that are in your corner, you know who they are. You know who the ones who whisper to you, girl, don't worry about what they say. You can do this. God got you. Those are the ones that are in your corner. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I gotta run.